So I'm going to show you how to install Netflix on your Vitron Smart TV. So what you need to do is from the home screen, just flick left and go to Mine. And under Mine, you want to go to the default Vitron TV App Store. That icon right there. So this one right here. So select that. And that's going to open your TV's default App Store. Of course, we also have the Google Play Store, but we're not going to the Google Play Store. So go to the search function at the top there, select that, and then just type Netflix. And then go to the search function, the OK button, select it, and then from the results, you will see Netflix. So go and select the Netflix application, and then click on the download button and have that app installed onto your TV. After installation, just go ahead and click on Open to launch Netflix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.